Here's a 2018 Porsche 718 Cayman. Confident and precise, this 718 Cayman's contours hint at the power and performance within. Unmistakably Porsche, this is a car that was designed for the pleasure of driving. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Manual transmission, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, power rear spoiler, external memory control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, internal audio memory, manual tilting steering column, HomeLink garage door transmitter, and intercooled turbo H4 engine. Porsche, highly intelligent performance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.